everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bhumi Mathur. I am a teenager, 15 years old, and this is my new video. So today is not a usual video. I'm not painting or related to it also. I just want to talk today because I think right now in today's scenario, in today's time period, I'll say, or in today's world, it is important to talk. So me being a teenager is gonna talk about mental health. I know on internet there are many videos related to mental health and basically during pandemic, lockdown on everything, but I do not want to just like give advice. I just want to share my situation and my story with you guys, and I know many people can relate to it, so I just hope that you relate. And yeah, my video is something, my story you can say. Disclaimer, this video is not to hurt anyone's feeling, or if anyone is saying that my words are hurting him or her, I'm really sorry in advance for it, because I didn't meant to hurt anyone's feeling or if anything else. I just wanted to put my perspective or my thinking in front of you guys. That's all I wanted to do in today's video. Let me start sharing my story. I live in Rajasthan and I'm not living with my mom dad currently, because my dad have a transfer in Maharashtra, so my mom, dad and my younger sister is living there. So I was born here and raised here in Rajasthan, Jaipur, and my dad is right now currently transferred in Nashik, Maharashtra. So I'm not living with him because of certain reasons. I am living with my uncle, aunt and my grandparents, and most of my life I have lived here in Rajasthan with them only, and my dad has always transferred somewhere or other, but not in Rajasthan or Jaipur. So yeah, I have pretty much spent more time with my grandparents more than my parents. So last year when lockdown happened, me and my sister was living in Jaipur, and we were together living here. My mom dad was in Nashik, not with us again, and because of COVID restrictions and travel restriction, we have to stay away from them for a long time period, which was like almost like 8 months or something, which is a very long time span for my sister, because I have lived without them before also, but it was anew with my sister. So now after lockdown, she decided to stay with my mom dad, and they agreed because as she is young and she suffered a lot during pandemic, because yeah, for a younger child, she is 12 right now, she turned 12 this year, she was living last year. So yeah, for a younger child, he or she needed mom dad. For me, because I have a habit and like I was into that, I like transformed, no I don't transformed, but मैं बचपन से क्योंकि दादा के साथ रह रही थी, I don't have any problem and I am very adjustable everywhere, so that's not a problem. I didn't adjust, it was just me who was living with my dada dadi again. So what I'm trying to say is that this was not new for me to live without my parents, but this was something new for my sister, which I'm pretty sure which acted on her mentally, and which actually made her attitude, her behavior just opposite what she was. But not only living away from mom dad, but living in homes also affected her mental health as well as her physical health. Not only her, but also mine and everyone living in their houses. This is not a thing which can be ignored or something. Please do not ignore this, because mental health is important for everyone. And I am also a person who used to take a very stress. Because of that, my weight started increasing, and I started having, कभी वेट बढ़ जाता था, कभी घट जाता था, but mostly it started increasing, and had a few health problems, but now it's resolved, thank God. The reason, okay, what I really forget to tell that the reason my father always left me with my grandparents and my uncle and aunt was because he never wanted me to suffer for my future, i.e., that is the stage where you grow and learn things in sense of studies. When you're growing, when it's your early age, he never wanted me to disturb my studies, because according to him, when the region changes, studies also get affected, true which is pretty much true. And yeah, studies get affected when you change place or region, or even when you change school, studies get affected. So the topic I was talking about was being away from mom dad in a very critical stage of COVID. For my sister, mentally affected her, as her behavior changes from a very sweet, kind little girl to very irritating and a very annoyed person. She really gets annoyed like this in a fractions of second. And she also get irritated very 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 much, like कुछ भी बोल दो, she will get irritated, and वो जवाब देने लग गई थी. कहीं उसकी आदत अभी गई भी नहीं है, which is I think because she is growing, her body is growing, that's why also she is getting into this stage. And this is what I think, that her mental health is affecting double in a negative way, because as she is growing, her body is growing, she's having physical changes, hormonal changes, plus being in lockdown, being locked in a home, in a char diwari, what we say in Hindi, is affecting it more. And last year, being away from mom dad affected it more and more. And I think that this is not only my sister's problem, this is happening to every child of her age who is recently growing and locked up in a house. The second wave of corona has more depressing effect all around the earth, or whatever you want to say, especially the areas where the COVID cases are increasing. I mean, the states where the COVID cases were increasing, hopefully now it's in control. But though, where people will not understand, there's the only single and the easiest solution to be in home is the way of living now. You will be safe if you be at home. People have to understand it, otherwise the children of our age are suffering. Again and again getting locked down is not good at all, we because we as a human being has to understand it. अगर हम अभी घर पे रहेंगे तो ही हमारा आगे का जो है फ्यूचर अच्छा होगा. Somebody said me that this is not gonna go until next year September, and I was devastated by mine. I was like, no please, नहीं, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. जब हम खुद ही घर में रहेंगे तो गवर्नमेंट को लॉकडाउन नहीं करना पड़ेगा, डंडे मारने के लिए पुलिस को रोड पे खड़ा नहीं होना पड़ेगा. एंड ऑल्सो हमको अकल आएगी. हमको अकल नहीं आई है अभी तक. Me as being a teenager is understanding this scenario like 110%, but many youngster of 25 to 30 age aren't understanding this. और से वो ही क्या, बड़े लोग भी बिल्कुल समझ नहीं रहे हैं. As market got open, they are literally, the crowd is like फ्री का माल बिक रहा है. एवरीथिंग इज फ्री in market. The thing is like that. Situation are literally like that, and that is so dangerous. That is just so dangerous. Okay, so I think I really messed up this. So I am talking about two things till now. Firstly, the COVID cases, and secondly, the mental thing in us as children and as my sister's age who are developing. Me myself being 15 is still developing, and I do not want to be at home like this. No, किसको पसंद है घर पे रहना? No one likes it. चाहे वो कोई सी भी एज का इंसान हो, no one likes to be at home. But we have to understand this. Now coming to the mental health of children growing like me and my sister is a very big talk, but long term short, no, what we said, long thing short, it is not good. That's what I want to say. Okay, so people aren't understanding that what's happening to our generation. मैंने YouTube पे बहुत सारे वीडियोस ऐसे देखे that are saying that पता नहीं लॉकडाउन के बाद बच्चों को क्या हो गया है. एंड मैंने ऐसा सुना. आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग, बट दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि लॉकडाउन के बाद नहीं हुआ है. दे वो ऑलरेडी लाइक दिस, बट लॉकडाउन हैव अफेक्टेड देम. Me being as teenagers, mental health has affected a lot during this COVID, a lot during whatever happened since past 1 year till now, and it is really disastrous. It is really dangerous and not good. I do not at all in favor of it, क्योंकि लोग बोल रहे हैं कि मेंटल हेल्थ है, खुश रहो सब ठीक हो जाएगा, खुश रहो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. ये मैंने लोगों के मुंह से सुना है. एंड पर्सनली सब ठीक ऐसे नहीं होगा अनटिल यू हैव दैट माइंडसेट. सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा कहने से भी कुछ नहीं होगा अनटिल यू हैव दैट माइंडसेट, दैट माइंड. आई डू नॉट ब्लेम एनी वन हु इज़ करंटली गोइंग थ्रू डिप्रेशन एंड नेगेटिविटी, बिकॉज ये दौर ही ऐसा चल रहा है. मैनी पीपल्स आर गोइंग थ्रू डिप्रेशन एंड नेगेटिविटी, बट द only solution for that is concern somebody professional if you are going to depression. Period of corona have all of us around the world gone through a lot of things. We gone through happiness, sadness, negativity, positiveness, speeches, जाने क्या क्या हुआ है. But all I want is people to understand to be at home. मैंने शायद इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोल दी. We just got messed up together, but I hope that people understand it. I am a person living without my mom dad, away from my mom dad, without नहीं, away from my mom dad since I was not even one. So जो डॉक्टर्स है, हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स है, पुलिस वाले हैं जो नहीं रह रहे हैं, उनके बच्चों का सोच के रह लो प्लीज़. जस्ट दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट. एंड अगर वो भी काफ़ी नहीं है तो इफ़ यू हैव योर ओन चाइल्ड, अ कज़न ब्रदर, कज़न सिस्टर, और वट एवर यू हैव अ बेबी एट योर होम, अ किड एट योर होम, उनका सोच के तो घर पे रह सकते हो ना. जस्ट बी एट होम एंड बी सेफ. इट विल हेल्प टू इम्प्रूव इन every sector of the life. Depression, negativity, many things, mental health, we need to be at home. This is what I think, guys. I don't know कि सब लोग क्या सोचते हैं, but this is not right happening right now. जो लोग एकदम से लॉकडाउन ओपन होते ही बाहर जा रहे हैं, घूम रहे हैं, फिर रहे हैं एक crowd में without wearing mask, taking precautions, using sanitizers, And this is really not good because people like me have to stay away from their mom dad because of you guys who are going out and causing that कोरोना खुद नहीं फैला है, हमने फैलाया उसे. We were the one who spread it. वो खुद नहीं फैल सकता. And now the news is coming up getting third wave is not good. Be at home, and I want to meet my mom dad personally. I haven't seen them since past like 4 months. I want to meet them. So hope you understand situations. So see ya, and also like this video and try to spread it as much as you can. मैंने एक बच्चे होने के नाते बहुत कुछ बोल दिया. Many people will judge me on that, but that's okay. But क्योंकि मुझे पता है मैंने जो भी बोला was fully 110% correct. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And my next video is also coming up soon, which is I think a daily vlog or a painting video. It's gonna be something between this. So yeah, see ya. So, like, share and subscribe.